In this video, I will guide you on how to connect Type-C to HDMI. Particularly, you will learn how to connect a mobile phone that has a USB-C to the HDMI port of your TV, monitor, or literally any HDMI display. Now, I'm going to be showing you two ways to do this. If your mobile phone supports HDMI display using USB 3.0, I'm going to use the first method, showing you how you can connect your phone using a HDMI to Type-C cable. But if your phone does not support HDMI display using USB 3.0, like most Android phones you would find these days, then you do not have to worry. I'm also going to give you an alternative solution that would fix that problem for you. Now, for the first method, all you need to do is to get a HDMI to HDMI cable or a direct HDMI to Type-C cable. You can actually find one of those from any tech store closest to you. I'm also going to be leaving links to some of those kinds of cable in the description of this video. But if you have a HDMI to HDMI cable like mine over here, you would also need to get yourself an adapter like this one over here. So you can basically just connect one end of the HDMI to HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your adapter, and then here we have a Type-C now, which we can now connect to our phone. You want to go ahead and get your phone and then connect the Type-C either directly or using an adapter to your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, and then you can now connect the other end of your HDMI cable to any of the HDMI ports on your HDMI display, like your TV or your monitor, literally any HDMI display. And as soon as you connect it to your HDMI display, there is absolutely nothing you need to do. Your Android phone or iPhone should automatically be displayed on your monitor. If you're using a TV like this one, you would have to change the input source of the TV. So if I tap on the input source button from over here and then proceed to select on the particular input source I have inserted the HDMI cable, you should now be able to see your mobile phone display on the TV, monitor, or the display as well. This is going to be pretty fast depending on the type of cable you get. So you can see that mine is very smooth. You want to make sure you get a 4K cable with 60 Hz refresh rate that actually does the job pretty well if you want good quality. But like I said before, not every phone actually supports HDMI display. So if you have a mobile phone that does not support HDMI display using a USB-C to HDMI cable, like the one I have over here, this is actually a Redmi phone that obviously does not support direct display using a HDMI to Type-C cable. In that case, what you want to do is to head over to the App Store of your phone. So go ahead and open up the Google Play Store, and then from the search bar at the bottom over here, you want to search for the app known as DisplayLink. Now, this is basically the application over here. You want to select on it and then make sure you download and install it into your phone. And as soon as it is installed, you want to select on it and then open it up directly from here. Now, once you get to this page, that is all you have to do. But now, instead of using a normal HDMI to USB-C adapter like this one over here, you want to make sure you get an adapter with the DisplayLink label. So the DisplayLink technology allows you to still be able to display your mobile phone screen to any HDMI display by simply just using that specific kinds of adapter. And some of them are quite cheap as well. But the catch here is that you have to use an adapter that actually supports DisplayLink. Usually you're going to see the DisplayLink label, and with the DisplayLink app already installed on your phone, using the same process I have explained in the first method, you should be able to comfortably cast or display your mobile phone screen to your TV or your monitor or literally any display, even though your mobile phone does not support HDMI display. And I hope this tutorial was helpful, guys. If it was, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.